Hello and welcome to Monkey Craft. My name is Eric. So before we get into the promotional side of this video, the giveaway if you will, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm new to 3D printing and the 3D printing business. Although I have a huge passion for the business, I've been working very hard to get my business up and off the ground, along with the YouTube creation side of it. So I do hope that you take the time to go back and review some of my existing videos and follow my channel going forward, because I have a lot of information that I'm learning step by step that I feel would be valuable to other individuals that are looking to start a 3D print business or have recently started. You can sort of see what I did, what's worked for me and what hasn't. And that's really the whole point of my whole video creation side of it, other than running the business, trying to make a little cheddar, right? In this video, I will provide all the information you need to participate in the giveaway, to include a complete set of the rules, how you would participate, what's being given away and when about this contest. So let's start with this disclaimer. I need to make you all aware that the giveaway that I'm doing is in no way associated with YouTube. I am solely responsible for this content, as well as the products that I'm giving away. They are not associated with, there's no association with those products in this video. And I need to make you aware that I am buying all these products myself with my own money, to include the shipping to the winner. In addition, I need to make you aware that this offer, this giveaway, is for the continental United States only. Shipping to other countries, including tariffs and everything, would be prohibited. So I'm limiting the shipping that's included with this offer to the continental United States. And the last disclaimer, there is no cost to participate in this giveaway. So I will be completing a series of 3 giveaways, all linked to the subscription level on my Monkey Craft YouTube channel. First level being at 500 subscribers, and a winner will be picked. Second level will be 1,000 subscribers and a winner picked at that level. And then the final grand prize will be at 5,000 subscribers. So let me tell you what you can win. The first prize will be 6 rolls of Bamboo Labs 3D print filament. That'll be given away at the 500 subscription level on the channel, and the winner will be able to choose between PLA, matte PLA, or PETG. And the winner can also select the colors, and I will have those products shipped directly to the winner. The second prize will be at the 1,000 subscriber level on the channel, and it will be for 10 rolls of Bamboo Labs 3D print filament. And just like the first prize, the winner can choose between PLA, matte PLA, and PVG, and select the colors, and they'll be shipped directly to the winner. Now the final prize, the grand prize, will be selected at the 5,000 subscriber level. And it will be for an Elegoo Centuri carbon printer. This will be a brand new printer in the box, shipped from Elegoo. And again, I'm paying for out of my own pocket for all of these prizes. There is no association with these companies, either Elegoo or Bamboo. So there is no cost to participate in these giveaways, but there is only one entry per YouTube subscription. If you'd like to participate in these giveaways, there are 3 easy steps you need to do. You need to first subscribe to this channel. This channel will be used to monitor and control and announce the winners of all 3 giveaways. So you need to subscribe to this channel. 2, you need to like this video. And 3, you need to leave a comment below. Any comment. I like 3D printing. I want to win. It really doesn't matter. But you need to comment below on this video, because this video will be the one that's used to choose the winners. The announcement of the winners will be made in the comment section of this video as the 3 different levels are reached. The starting for this giveaway will be 1 November 2025, and it will continue until all 3 tiers are reached: 500, 1,000, 5,000. At that point, all 3 of the prizes will have been given away. Now, the winners will be announced in the comment section below, and the winners will have 7 days to reply. If you don't reply within 7 days, a new winner for that prize will be chosen. Winners will be chosen at random from the comment section using a third-party digital giveaway selection app. Not something I'm doing. It's something I'm paying for the service for. They will go in, they will review the comments, and they will do a random generated selection. Now, you can make as many comments as you like, but the program is only going to pick one comment. In other words, if you put in 3 comments, you're not going to get 3 different entries. It's 1 entry per YouTube subscription. And finally, you can unsubscribe to my channel at any time once all 3 prize winners have been selected. So I know that's a little bit wordy, but it's important that we go over everything. So in closing, linked down below, or in the description down below, I'll have all these rules for the giveaway outlined there if you want to view them. So let's subscribe, link, and comment. I wish you the best of luck. Alright, I forgot. I got one final thing before I close out this video. There are no substitutions in this giveaway. You can't have my dog. No, don't even comment it. He's mine. I need him. Bernie. Right, Bernie? Okay. Now we're done.